In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Scrollbar in a button in Card. By the end, you'll have a button that smoothly scrolls visitors to a specific section on your one-page site, perfect for guiding people to pricing, contact forms, or highlights without sending them to another page. First, open Card in your browser and head to your dashboard. Select the project you want to work on so you're in the editor. We'll start by creating a scroll point, which is the target your button will scroll to. Click Add, then choose Control. In the panel that appears, open the Type dropdown and select Scroll Point. You'll see a marker appear on your canvas. Drag that scroll point so it sits just before the content you want to reveal after the button is clicked. Placing it slightly above the section helps account for headings or spacing so the content isn't hidden under a fixed header. Give the scroll point a clear, simple name and copy it exactly. Short, lowercase names without spaces, like pricing or contact, tend to work best. Now let's make the button. Click Add again and choose Buttons. Expand its settings using the small arrow so you can customize it fully. Update the label to something meaningful, like See More, Go to Pricing, or Contact Us, depending on where your scroll point leads. In the URL field, type a hash sign followed by the exact name of your scroll point, for example, #pricing. The hash tells Card to stay on the page and scroll to that anchor. Double-check spelling and capitalization since it needs to match perfectly. Position the button where you want it on the page. You can place it in a hero section, a sticky header, or anywhere that makes sense for your flow. When you're happy with the placement and settings, click Done to save your changes. Next, publish your site so you can test it as a visitor. Click Publish, then Confirm by choosing Publish Changes. After it finishes, select View Site to open the live version. Try the button and make sure it smoothly scrolls down to the intended section. If the scroll lands a little too high or low, go back into the editor and nudge the scroll point slightly, then publish again and retest. For the best results, also glance at it on mobile to confirm the experience feels smooth there too. That's it. You've created a button that scrolls to a section in Card, making your page more intuitive and user-friendly.